Hello, Charlotte. I have found for you really fantastic colors. They are like this sample, turquoise and blue. Amazing colors. Just one kit like this I can offer. I hope you will love it too. And let's start. First color is this one, turquoise. We have three cones, 55 grams each cone. It's our first color. Here we can see this color in the beginning or here in the end of the lace. So three cones, 55 grams each. This is our first color. Let's create this kit here. You will see clearly all colors. Second color is incredible. It's more darker. We have also three cones, 55 grams each cone, like this. It's our second color. And it suits perfectly here. And the third one, really special one, also three cones, 55 grams each cone, so in total 165 grams. And this is our third color here. Just look how beautiful they are together. And the third one, the last I found, we have three cones, 40 grams each. That's why these cones are a little bit bigger, 55 grams each cone. In total, you will have 615 grams for blouse, Sonia. And this is our third color, incredible blue. It looks perfect together here with all these colors. Now let's look to this combination of colors. Like this. You see how beautiful they are, and it's totally like this sample. We have a blue, we have turquoise, several shades. It's perfect, just looks exactly like this sample and also like this one. And you can choose what option you like better. Do you want to start from more intensive colors and move on to this lighter turquoise, or you want to start from this more intensive and next, from lighter and move to this more intensive, like we have here. Everything is very tender and beautiful, you see. And right now we have very close to this one, almost the same. Incredible lace, very soft, and you will get beautiful results. This will be a really amazing blouse, Sonia. So we have here, like I told you, more than 600 grams of Italian viscose. Only one kit like this is available. You will find it in our Etsy store. I am preparing this kit for you there. I will add a new item. You will see it. When you will watch this video, it will be already there. So we have hard copy of Crochet magazine. And you can create this blouse. I also used 4 colors. You have also 4 colors. We have here information how to create this blouse in sizes ML, yes, and also 2XL, ML, and also here we have information about XL, 2XL. Like I told you, we have all symbols here at the back side. We have presentation of this lace. We have presentation of different blouses, Sonia, because we made several in different colors. We have turquoise with emerald. We have the main one in red coral colors, very bright and beautiful, like this. So here we have all information, high quality schemes, instructions. You can see how beautiful schemes I made, colored schemes and big instructions. You can clearly see all stitches. Row number 2, for example, here we have all information. And everything is just perfect here. You will see clearly how to create this blouse step by step. And I really love this blouse because here we can use this technique, smooth transition, very slow transition of several colors. Already a lot of people all over the world made this blouse, and I created a lot of different options. So we have like lemon and gray, pink and gray, beautiful brown, orange colors, blue and golden beige, red and orange. So like this turquoise, incredible shades. It's so interesting to create this smooth transition, really fantastic. Technique is really fascinating, this technique. I am using this technique for dresses, blouses, skirts. It's very interesting. And each time you can mix different colors, and it's very excited moment when you see the result. You need to create this lace after hide tails, iron and stretch, and you will see final result. how all colors look together, and it's really magical moment. So you see, we have here also short samples, like always, for our clients, for our students. So just a short sample, because when you will make such big lace, you will have very slow transition of 4 colors, not like this. Here is just a presentation of these colors, yes, together, but the result will be more beautiful because we will change colors step by step very slowly. That's why this lace will be such beautiful and very tender and soft and silky, perfect for summer vacations, for summer holidays, for special events. It's perfect. It's oversized blouse. It's perfect for shorts, jeans, skirts. You can wear it and it will look really unique, beautiful, and really gorgeous, because we are using fantastic thread. Italian viscose. It's silky. Yes, it has so beautiful, elegant, silky shining, and it's also really nice to the touch. It doesn't wrinkle. It's also very important when you transport it. So like this it works. So we have this magazine. After we have also the most important thing here, you have video tutorials about making this blouse. I made 6 lessons. And you will see how I made this blouse, also from Italian viscose, just another colors. So all steps you will see, all my tips, secrets, I am telling there, I am showing everything. You have 2 crochet hooks, 1.7 millimeters, 2.1. The biggest one I am using just for long chain in the beginning of our work. Next, I am using all the time 1.7 millimeters, like this. So we have colored schemes, beautiful pictures, instructions in English, and also video tutorials. Everything you need you have here. You have samples of lace, you have incredible yarn set, crochet hooks. So all you have here. Also, I love this option that we have a hard copy of Crochet magazine, because it's really nice to have this all printed schemes. Yes, I really love to hold magazines or books with schemes. It's really nice to work with them. So we have it here, and this you can use laptop and you can watch video tutorials just to be sure how to work step by step. You will have my support, and yes, you will have this all instructions here. So this kit includes everything you need to create oversized blouse Sonia at your home. You have necessary amount of threads, even more. You have information how to create this blouse in different sizes. You have also these instructions, crochet hooks. You don't have to look for anything else. We was preparing the best what we can for you, just to give you the most high quality tutorials, materials, and crochet instructions. So this is a presentation of this kit, and like I told you, right now it's available in our Etsy store. Only one item like this, and a 7% discount during this month you can use at our JThouse Etsy shop. Okay, so I hope you will love it. I really recommend you this kit, because these colors are very beautiful together. Like you can see, the samples show this, yes, this combination of colors. So for everyone else who will watch this video, if you want to create this blouse, visit our Etsy store. Right now we have there several different DIY crochet kits for Blouse Sonia, but also step by step I will add new one in purple, in light blue colors, in beautiful beige and peach colors, and more. I have more. Just step by step I will make photos, videos, and I will add these items to our Etsy store. So thank you so much for watching this presentation. I hope you love it, and like always, I wish you all big inspiration, beautiful crochet results, and see you at the next videos. Bye bye for now, my friends. Bye bye.